All right, if you'd like to use MWIConnect on your mobile phone, go to the App Store and search for AMI Global and download the app. Then you'll use your sign-in and it'll take you to the equipment that you have under MWIConnect. The app's opening up. You'll put your sign-in credentials in. Once signed in, it brings you right to the dashboard showing where your equipment would be. After downloading the app from the App Store, AMI Global, or signing into your desktop to MWIConnect.com, signing in will bring you to this page here. It will show you your pumps that you have under this assigned to your account. You'll be able to view it. You click on a unit. It'll bring the information up. It'll display if the engine's running, what temperature it's at, battery. There are some other features here that are not being utilized at this time on this unit, which is hydraulic temperature and hydraulic pressure, which we're building in for future units. But you can also see the fuel rate. He's not running it very hard, 903 RPMs, burning 1.1 gallons an hour. And he's only got 7% load. So this is telling me this engine is just sitting there idling right now, exercising it. At the top, you'll see this is our cellular signal. Once again, if you want to locate it through GPS and see where it might be, you can just go here, highlight GPS, brings you to the map. You can scroll in, and then you can see the unit. You do a satellite view, and there it's sitting as of right now. You can build a geofence around it, which if it moves outside that geofence, you can get an alert. You're going to get alerts if there's an issue with the engine. If there's any kind of codes that are showing up that might require the engine to shut down, it'll show a red lamp. You can actually click on that and actually alert somebody too. If a red lamp goes off, it'll notify people that you select. If it's an amber lamp, which is a warning, it will allow them to be alerted as well. Also, there's a way for you to see what the code is that might be the reason. So you can tell your service guy going out there, hey, we're getting this code, this is what it is. It's a fuel pressure issue, so maybe it's a fuel filter that needs to be changed out, and it just saves a lot of time running back and forth. It's just a great tool to have to monitor equipment, especially if you can't have people on site 24 hours a day, or if you got something remotely in a situation where it doesn't need to run all the time. You can set alerts up to be alerted in auto start. If it kicks in audibly, you just select the user, can get an email or a text alert when it starts, same with when it shuts down. MWI offers MWIConnect services to all of our customers, whether it be for pump rentals or for a MWI pump purchase, or even to a customer's existing fleet.